Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 2659 36th Avenue West. Date is March 8th, 2021. Making this recording from the roof vent on the back of the house here. Going to pull back from this point. This is as far as I can push the camera out. We're about 130 feet or so, give or take. Well, from the ground here, I guess. So we'll get a better accurate length on the line here as we come back. Zeroed out the footage there. I've located where we're sitting right now, and we're at the curb line, about 6.5 feet deep, right at the line of the curb. So we're going to come back from this point. It's as far as I can get. We're going to look at the line, get a footage, and get an idea of the condition of the line. So here we go. So if you just want to pull this back and just kind of, here, I'll give you a little example. You don't have to spin the wheel. The wheel will spin on its own. Okay. Just kind of tuck it as it goes. Can you move it at all from there? Let's not do that. I'm going to damage it. I would do it from down there, but let me go from there. Alright. So coming back from this point, a little closer is the problem. Here's what we'll do. Since we're recording, I'm going to send this to you anyway. So I'm going to take this up there. Any problem spots, I'll come down. We'll look at them together. Otherwise, I want to see where we're at. I can't do it from up here. All right. Okay. I believe we're set up now. Here we go. Coming back. Maybe not. Okay, here we go. Coming back. 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Starting to get a little worn along the bottom. There's a seam in the pipe about every 2 feet. Pipes are put together in 2-foot sections. Male, female, just pushed into each other. That's how it's set up there, Jeff. So every 2 feet there's a seam in the pipe. We're coming up out of a turn here. About 10 feet back from where we were. We've got the pipe kind of dives in that spot. But we're still in 6-inch diameter pipe is what it would look like. A little bit of a flat spot there where we're collecting a little sewage. Here, Jeff, let me show you this spot. It's hard to tell exactly what's going on there. But, can you see that?
Yeah.
See there's water sitting?
Yeah.
At the bottom there?
Yeah.
It should never really be sitting like that. It should be, when everything's functioning properly, there's just an open pipe. Yep. Where you can see the sewage flowing through. So we got a little bit of a flat spot. It could be buildup. It's kind of hard to tell what it is without running some kind of cleaning cable down there or a jetter. Looks like we're back in 4-inch pipe diameter now. I think it was in that underwater section we were transitioning from 6-inch to 4-inch. So that's going from like this here, Jeff, 6-inch diameter back to 4-inch, and that's right about your property line generally. Okay. Code said you had to go to 6-inch in the right of way. So coming back through the 4-inch section now. And this is running along kind of the south side of the house here. We're back on the property. So far so good, all intact. Aggregate along the bottom from 70, 80 years of sewage running now. And there we've got a little bit of rocks at the bottom of the pipe. So Jeff, anytime you're getting rocks like that, somewhere along the line there's allowing rocks to
a
come
crack to
in.
get the
So there's a
ground,
hole in the pipe generally somewhere,
Yep.
or a seam has come apart enough that it's letting rocks come in.
Okay, understand.
And there's quite a bit as we're coming back here. You'll see on the recording when I send it to you. Quite a bit of rock and gravel through that section. And again, another section of rocks through here. See if we can't identify where they're coming from. There's some more rocks through here. And we've got what looks like a big root growing in to the line with a section of clay stubbed directly into the pipe. That looks like the culprit for the rocks.
There was a tree at the front corner of the house when we bought it.
Uh-huh.
In '89, we had that taken out.
Okay, we're going to continue the recording. I've located that spot about 5.5 feet deep at the southwest corner of the home. We're going to keep coming back from there. I'm guessing we're going to come around to 90. Boom, there, sure it is. There's the 90-degree turn. Now we're cruising along the back side of the house. There's another small turn there. Now we come back into a section of plastic that's a little bit flat, but still functioning fine. Then back into concrete. I'm guessing that plastic had a tie-in for the kitchen line. Did you ever dig that up and replace that with plastic?
I didn't do anything. It may have happened during the remodel in '94.
Yeah, I'm guessing it did. There's a section of not new, but plastic kind of run along the back here.
Yeah.
That's been replaced and is now, I'm guessing, where that kitchen line comes in. Keep coming here, keep rewinding us here. And coming up out of the concrete and back into cast iron here, we've got a settling section here. Let me push it out here, Jeff, thank you. It's a little bit settled as it comes out of the cast there. Has a funky little section. Let me locate this spot. I'm going to end the video there, though. We've seen the entire concrete pipe.